Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can duplicate like a document, like a file on Google Docs. And to do that, it is super simple. Just right click on the document you want to duplicate, right click on it and press make a copy, and it will make a copy. I don't think it's gonna show here. It's going to go in my drive. So if I go to my drive, it will be there. But I'm not going to open my drive. But yeah, it's going to be there. It's going to make a copy of the file on my Google Drive. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!